Are you dreaming of glowing, youthful skin without harsh chemical or expensive treatment? Today we are diving into two powerful house ingredients from our kitchen, flax seed and rice. Together, they create a simple natural remedy to nourish, hydrate, and brighten the skin. First off, flax seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acid, antioxidants, and lignans. They help improve skin elasticity, reduce inflammation, and lock in moisture, leaving your skin soft, smooth, and radiant. Here, I have 1 cup of water in my saucepan already boiling, and I added 1 teaspoon of flax seed, 1 teaspoon of rice powder. In this case, if you don't have rice powder, kindly use your raw rice, and this is how you are going to prepare it. Wash the rice very well, cook 1 teaspoon or either 2 teaspoons aside. Then you cook your flax seed also aside. Allow everything to boil for 10 minutes. Then bring everything down, allow them to cool. Then you strain the water from the rice and add it to the flax seed you've already boiled. Or you can blend the rice and add to the flax seed you have already boiled. Stir, then you have a wonderful paste to apply. Now, let's talk about rice, a timeless beauty secret that's used in many Asian skincare traditions. I've been doing videos on this rice. Rice is very good for the skin. Rice is rich in vitamin B and vitamin E, minerals, and amino acid. It naturally brightens the skin, fades dark spots, and promotes even skin tone. When combined flax seed and rice, it creates a hydration gel-like base that smooths the skin and enhances its natural glow. Please, if you have watched to this stage, kindly give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe if it's your first time coming across this video. Our mask is ready and it has been cooled for some time now. So I'm just going to transfer everything into a clean bowl or container to store in the refrigerator for just a week. So you can apply this 2 or 3 times in a week for a beautiful glow skin. Now let's see how I apply this on my skin, and trust me, the transformation was so beautiful. And if you're going to try this, kindly test patch before using, because everybody and its skin type. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. But please keep watching and see the transformation. It's so amazing. Try this and come back to this video and let us know the outcome of it. Trust me, you will love your skin after using these 2 powerful house ingredients. Alright, so catch you in the next one. Bye bye. But make sure to watch the video and see the transformation. Bye.